All right, guys, welcome back. So we are at week 3.5, and puppies are starting on their mush, which is just very processed, whipped up puppy food for them, almost like a baby food texture. So this is the first time they are trying it. I forgot to get it recorded when we initially first did it just a few moments ago, but I thought I would come back on with them and see how they do. They did enjoy it, as you can tell. A lot of it is on their paws, their bellies. So they will be more interested in it. Let's see. Now they're kind of cleaning each other up. As you can see, they're becoming more and more active. It's a totally fun age for them. They're becoming more stable on their feet. Their personalities are coming out. Look at that, there we go. There's my baby. So we still have the black one. Still hasn't found his home yet. But George is doing fabulous. Millie's doing wonderful. We have the little red and white girl who's just a sweetheart and doing wonderful. And then our black and white Dobie, which is just the little talker. So I'm gonna let them go and eat. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, please hit the subscribe button. And then this way I can post more. I will be doing their 4-week pictures here in a few days. So thanks for watching.